Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word nonagenarian in depth. First, the definition. Nonagenarian means a person aged between 90 and 99 years old. Think of it simply as someone who has lived for 9 decades or more. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Nonagenarian traces back to the Latin nonageni, meaning 90 each, first recorded in the 17th century. Over time, it's been used by English speakers to describe very old adults. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use nonagenarian in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. My great-grandmother is a nonagenarian who still enjoys gardening every weekend. Correct example 2. The nonagenarian athlete amazed everyone by finishing the marathon. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to nonagenarian my way through the party, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using nonagenarian correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Nonagenarian means a person aged between 90 and 99 years old. It comes from Latin roots, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with nonagenarian down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.